Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
I mean, it's a rocket ship straight up. We're never going to go down. This thing's the best. What's going on yesterday?
Yesterday the Dow was up 140 points.
Yes.
Closed at 24,792. We were up 225 points at the high of the day, but gave some back in the afternoon. It was a broad-based rally with financials leading, and utilities were the only sector lower for the day. Investors sold the 10-year U.S. Treasury, taking the yield up to 2.392%.
All right, there it goes. How about my old neighbor, Warren Buffett, this morning?
Well, this is a kind of an interesting thing. Berkshire Hathaway traded above $300,000 per share for the first time yesterday and closed at $299,360 for one share.
For one share. $300,000 for one share.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Mr. Buffett placed his first buy order for 2,000 shares on December 12, 1962. He paid $7.50 per share for his initial stake in the struggling textile company. He took control in 1965. The stock crossed $1,000 per share in 1983, crossed $10,000 in 1992, and crossed $100,000 in 2006. The stock is up about 10% since tax reform talk began, as they will be a big beneficiary of tax reform.
Yeah, they are going to clean up. By the way, the baby Berk is trading at right about $200. So the Berkshire Hathaway Class B, I guess.
The baby Berkshire.
Yeah, the baby Berk, $200. Interesting. It never pays a dividend. Will never split. So gotta love him. If you were, there's a bunch of old ladies running around Omaha. This very nice man said, "Give me $10,000 and let me invest it for you." That $10,000 is now worth $695 million. All right, good times are here again. Municipalities, what are we hearing from them?
Well, municipalities issued $43 billion in new bonds for the first 15 days of this month. This was the most since December of 1990 and took the market by surprise, because December is typically a slow month. The rush of new supply brought prices way down, but then investors were worried the tax bill might make it more difficult to find bonds, so they bought the bonds, driving the price back up. So this was a very volatile month for a non-volatile asset.
Aha. And then finally, what are we hearing on tax reform?
Well, Congress will begin voting on tax reform today. The House of Representatives will be debating this afternoon. Initial legislation was introduced here November 2nd. The Senate will debate for 10 hours and then vote, which may be later today or early tomorrow. So we should know what to expect on the tax bill by tomorrow at the latest.
All right. Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas. Have yourself a good today, what are we hearing about?
Today the Dow looks up 35 points. But all eyes and ears are going to be on Washington to see what the new tax package looks like.
Yep, everyone's waiting for the vote. All right, good. Scott, have yourself a good day. Be safe, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.